4 days, one country. So many firsts. From crime scene solving to coding in the techverse, flying through Sentosa and chilling at Gardens by the Bay, Singapore gave us memories we'll never forget. Let me take you through our epic STEM journey with Happy Miles.
Everybody say.
Our journey began in India, where we gathered early in the morning at the airport.
It is important so that you can explore the world while doing new activities altogether and try some things new. We're most excited about learning about their culture and what they do.
From Singapore, I guess how to live a sustainable life and how to improve and how to incorporate learning in every part of fun that you have in your life.
Hello, I am super excited for the Singapore tour. So come, let's enjoy the tour.
Waving goodbye to our parents, we stepped into the airport with big smiles and even bigger dreams. Soon, we were up in the air, heading to one of Asia's most dynamic cities, Singapore. As we landed, the students were amazed by the grandeur of the Changi Airport. We cleared immigration and headed straight to our hotel to freshen up and gear up for our first adventure. That evening, we explored the stunning Marina Bay area during a photography session. Students captured the skyline and iconic structures like pros.
After experiencing the mesmerizing and magical show, we headed our way to the Merlion Park.
And to wrap up, we met the majestic Merlion to the best photographer of the day and awarded our first badge, Lens Legend.
It says Lens Legend.
What a way to begin! Lights, landmarks and lasting memories. Singapore, you never disappoint us.
We kicked off the day with an exciting visit to one of Singapore's top spatial technology labs. Here, students dived into immersive VR sessions guided by real tech experts.
Today we visited Hiver Labs, where we met really experienced people in the world of AR and VR. We got to see various examples through how it was applicable in real life.
Important to encourage our young students to keep their minds open and look into different kind of technologies and all sorts of possibilities available out there in the market.
And yes, at the end of the session, they got a certificate of participation too. Next stop, Marina Bay Sands Sky Park.
We're at the sky deck right now. It's quite an experience, so high up in the sky with such an amazing view of Singapore.
Standing 56 stories high, the students were blown away by panoramic views of the city's skyline, gardens, and sparkling sea. Then we headed to the Science Centre, Singapore. From hands-on physics fun to mind-bending biology facts, students didn't just learn science, they lived it. The Science Centre turned questions into adventures and learning into pure joy.
Can we try it? Can we find it? Can we please be kind of just rewind it?
And the day ended on a thrilling note at the night safari. Day 3 took us to the prestigious National University of Singapore.
I am always very interested in technology, AR, VR, so I'm really excited to learn more about it.
I'm really excited to be here. The campus is really beautiful and the AR and VR is something that I'm really interested in.
Our students split into 2 groups. Group 1 trained with real forensic science experts learning how to lift fingerprints and analyze clues like a pro. Meanwhile, Group 2 entered the techverse. With guidance from professionals, they learned coding basics, explored augmented reality, and built their own mini projects.
So we at Happy Miles believe in encouraging students to learn through very interactive and hands-on workshops. And forensic sciences, this workshop is to get children interested in the profession of forensic science.
Many people say that forensic scientist is only limited to solving murder cases or crime cases. It's way more vast than that. You can use forensic science to solve other wider problems, or you can use forensic science to solve a world crisis.
Today I learned about AR and VR. It was a lot of fun. Like a very few times that I had interest in coding. I don't really have interest in coding and I find it hard. But they made it a very fun experience and I loved it.
We visited the Art and Science Museum, where students experienced VR as a tool for storytelling and innovation.
We explored the insides of the dinosaur and then it went into magical worlds like doors opening and then so good.
Then it was time to immerse in nature at Gardens by the Bay. It was like stepping into another world. Our last stop of the day was Marina Barrage. With expert guidance, students learned how Singapore manages its water supply and flood control with precision and sustainability.
At Marina Barrage, we learned about how in Singapore water conservation works, how Singapore receives its water through the rains.
But there it was really amazing. We got to see how water can be saved and how waste can be reduced, recycled and reused.
Our final day was pure joy. We took a scenic ropeway to Sentosa Island, flying over lush greenery and blue waters. From adrenaline-pumping rides, live shows, and themed worlds, students laughed, screamed, and made amazing memories together.
It was a great mix of fun and learning. I would definitely like to thank Happy Miles and Lighthouse Learning for giving us this opportunity to explore and experience STEM education in Singapore.
And before saying goodbye to this beautiful country, we made one last meaningful visit to the URA Gallery.
What is the full form of URA? Urban Redevelopment Authority.
Here, students explored how Singapore transformed itself through visionary city planning, smart infrastructure, green spaces, and thoughtful urban design.
Rightly said, it is all about changing minds, and we are trying to expose students as much as we can with these technologies.
We would like to see you on our next trip next year, and that's all from our side. Thank you very much.